Hello guys, welcome to my diary. I am Mahesh. Today I am making a new video especially for you. Many friends ask me how to generate business checking QR code on MySejahtera. So I make this video for you, especially how to make the business checking QR code on MySejahtera. So I will solve your problem just 2 minutes. So keep watching this video step by step. If you really want to know how to create your business checking QR code, watch this video. Don't skip. I will teach you step by step. Don't skip this video if you really want to know. So let's move on the video. Okay. Open your Google Chrome browsers. Then search the MySejahtera. mysejahtera.malaysia.gov.my. Click on. After that, you see the right side top corner 3 white line. Click on 3 white line. Okay. After that, click on the second option. Then choose the MySejahtera Check-in. After that, scroll down, then click on a Duster MySejahtera Check-in. Okay. Now you show here the one interface. So country Malaysia. Type your contact number. Just put your contact number. So I show you, for example, I put my contact number 149055586 and click on I'm not a robot. Okay. After that, click on register. Just hold a few minutes. You will get your 6-digit OPT. Okay. My OPT is already coming. So I put my OPT here. And submitted. Okay. Type your business name. Example, I treat business name Woodworking. Then premise categories. See which is your categories. Premise category: animal care, banking and financing, construction and manufacturing, education, entertainment, food and beverage, health, others, private and social events, religions, retail, security. What is your the categories? If you have a construction and manufacturing, select on a manufacturing. Okay. After that, subcategories is a depend your on the premise categories. Okay. If you select the primary category construction and factory, so you will see the construction side or factory side or worker hostel side. If you factory, select on a factory. Okay. Contact name Mr. Lee Ping Yong. Okay. Current address. Type your current address. Canton Fario. Okay. First code is depend on your own location. So, which your location? Select your location postcode. I'll type 31300. State. Suppose I'll try to put on here. Select your which your state. I'll put here a Perak. Then district. In Perak, which is your district? Here is the many district on the Perak. So you want to select one your own district. I'll select now Kinta. Okay. After that, submit. Finally, your QR code is ready to use. So if you want to this QR code print, please click on the print QR code on side. Click here. After that, share your password. Now your business checking QR code is ready. If you want to print, click on this print button. Okay. So now this is your QR code ready. Okay. How was this video? If you like this video, please give up a thumbs up. And if this video help you to how to generate QR code, please share this video with your friend who really want to know the how to generate QR code. And if you want to see like this same video and again, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you press bell icon, when I upload a new video, you will get notification immediately. So thanks for watching. I will meet you next video. So have a nice day, nice time. Bye bye.